All right, science superstars, get ready for a super speedy question. Don't blink because today we're talking about something incredibly fast. How fast can a sneeze actually travel out of your nose? Is it A, 20 miles per hour, B, 50 miles per hour, C, 100 miles per hour, or D, a whopping 200 miles per hour? You've got 5 seconds to lock in your answer. Time's up. The correct answer is C, 100 miles per hour. Can you believe it? That's faster than most cars on the highway. Sneezes can send over 100,000 germs into the air at those incredible speeds. So next time, remember to cover up.